Looks like 1.2 dead on. 1.200. Okay. So let me write down the density of salt water here. So salt water, the density is 1.200 grams per cubic centimeter today. That's how much salt we mixed up here. Maybe I'll even put it here in my data sheet. Density of salt water, 1.2, and so I'll put the ones up there. So there's 1 for the water, there's 1.2 for the salt water, and again, your job is to multiply these two to see what is the mass displaced. Hopefully that'll agree with the buoyant force, which you get by subtracting these two, and then you can say, hey, yeah, the buoyant force here equaled the weight of the displaced fluid. So one more here, and that's the density of the alcohol. And so my alcohol, oh yeah, that's the alcohol. I just want to double check, because it's kind of hard to tell sometimes between these fluids. They're all clear. And this one being a density less than 1, I'm going to use a different hydrometer. If you notice that one, if it was less than 1, it would sink so far that it's only marked to 1. So that hydrometer is designed to measure things of density greater than 1, whereas this one is designed to measure things less than 1. So if it's 1, it'll float right there, and as the density goes down, it sinks deeper and deeper, and this could read up to things that have a density as little as 0.65. And, oops, hope I got enough alcohol there. Yeah, it's still floating, good. And let me take a look at it. Bummer. Turn it towards me. But looks like it is 7.6, 7.7, 7.8 and a half. So 0.785. So 0.785 grams per cubic centimeter is what I should put here for the alcohol. So there's the alcohol. And I'll make one last measurement here before we wrap up today's lab. So 0.785, 0.785. And again, multiply these two together. That's the weight, or really the mass, of the displaced fluid. And then subtract these two. This is the actual buoyant force. And so hopefully the buoyant force, or buoyant mass, is equal to the weight of the displaced fluid, or the mass that's displaced. All right, and that's it. So scan this and turn that in. And I still got to give you a place for Canvas to finish it up. And I'll just say bye for now, and we will see you tomorrow, Wednesday, the end of week 4.